Shift4Shop is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage online stores. Here's a brief guide on how to use it. Sign up and set up your account. Visit the Shift4Shop website and sign up for an account. After registration, you will receive access to your store's admin dashboard. Choose a theme and customize your store. Browse the Shift4Shop theme library and choose a theme that suits your brand. Customize the look and feel by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout to match your store's identity. Add products. In your admin panel, go to Products and select Add Product. Add product details such as name, description, price, and images. You can also categorize products for easy navigation. Set up payment methods. Shift4Shop supports various payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Shift4. Set up your preferred payment methods under the Payment section of the admin panel. Set up shipping. Configure shipping options, including rates and regions, to ensure your products are delivered to customers efficiently. Launch your store. Once your store is set up, launch it by enabling it for public access. Promote it on social media and other channels to drive traffic and sales.